Hi, my name is Ray. I'm an artist, and I want to quickly show you a demonstration in the proper use of negative space. In order for us to get what negative space is, first thing we'll need is a canvas. So let's just draw a simple square to represent the canvas. Okay, so basically that's what we're going to do. Negative space is generally utilizing the negative space after drawing something there without losing the integrity of the drawing itself. So for example, we have our blank template here, and what we're going to do is, let's say on this side, we're going to draw an abstract woman, kind of abstract from behind, very general figure of a woman. So head. Now we're going to go down and do her shoulders, and have her basically utilize this side of the canvas. So you see there's still negative space there. That's what negative space is. The character is here, and everything else which is negative and non-representative is over here. Now let's say I want to add to the negative space. If I put another figure here, there's still negative space. So let's say I'm going to put a gentleman over here next to her. Okay. General abstract of a gentleman, just from behind. General frame, just so that you get the idea that it is a man. Okay. Now you see, here's the example. Now we have the two figures on either side, and between them we have what would be considered the negative space. And for drawing like this is good because it symbolizes the distance between them, and that's why the negative space is needed to illustrate that. So basically that's it. This is just an example of the usage of negative space.